Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how Euro USD, USD CAD, USD CHF and USD JPY has moved in the last week and how these forex can move in the next week. See, what we have seen that Euro is continuously going down. Okay, and if you look at from the chart from second week of March, we have seen that is from February we have seen that is continuously going down. Okay, and this range has break downside, so probability is again very high because this is the range. You can say this is from 2002. We have seen this level has not come yet. Okay, it has moved upside, but now we have seen it is moving continuously going down. Suppose if this level, which is a higher probability, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 99540, which will act as a strong support, so we can see a bounce back from that level. Otherwise there is a higher probability we can see it can touch a level of 0.99540. okay, or if that level goes downside, then we can see it can fall further low. But suppose if this Euro USD moving at this particular level sustain, so we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $1.012, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $1.03612. Once this range break upside, a probability is high. We can see that this particular swing will help to move Euro USD further upside, and then we can see it can move to a level of 1.0628, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1.09481. okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high. Okay, now if we talk about USD CAD, what we have seen, there is a continuous uptrend. Okay, it is moving slow, but it is going upside. Suppose if this level sustain, which is at a high probability, we can see it can go further high towards a level of 1.030846, and if that level goes upside, because this level a resistance which is already being tested here twice, so probability is very high. We can see it can touch a level of $1.32085. okay, once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside, which is at higher probability. We can see it can go further high. But suppose if this level didn't sustain, a probability is high. We can see it can come down again to a level of around 1.27858, and if that level also goes down, then we can see a strong support at 1.27815. okay, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1.26128. okay, and then we can see it can move further down. This is the range where we have seen it is moving. So once this range break upside, we can see a further high, and if range breaks downside, we can see it can see further low. If we talk about USD CHF, we have seen it is moving in a U pattern. Okay, after that we have seen it is continuously moving down. Suppose if this level sustain, which is a high probability, we can see it can go and touch a level of $0.96293, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $0.96731. okay, and from there then a probability will be there that a pattern will form, head and shoulder pattern or a cup pattern will form. There is a high probability of moving further upside towards a level of $0.98027, and from there we can see it can go further upside. okay, now suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $0.94823, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $0.93270. okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can fall further down. okay, now if we talk about USD JPY, now we had seen a swing forming at this particular level, and I have already explained you that there is a higher probability whenever it goes high, we have seen a downfall. So we have seen already a downfall. Now a swing has created this particular level with a strong support 130.526. keep this in mind. If the price fall below this level, then we can see it can fall further low, but this has made a swing at this particular level, so we can see it can move towards a level of $137.454, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $138.725. okay, suppose the price goes up that level, then there is a high probability of moving $139.417, and from there we can see it can go further upside. okay, but suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of $133. okay, around $135.46, and if that level goes downside, a higher probability will be there. We can see a level of $132. Okay, once the price fall below that level, then a probability is high. We can see a level of $130.45, and from there we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of $128, and from there we can see it can move further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, because this is the strong reason where if it not sustaining a level of 135, probability is here. We can see a level of 132, which is already being tested here, so probability is high. We can see a level of $131.6 if this level particular didn't sustain. Okay, and then we can see it can go further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.